Charging the Audi Q8 e-tron requires awareness of how to properly connect to charging stations and battery management techniques. The Q8 e-tron can be charged at public charging stations using AC or DC current, as well as home charging stations or the Audi portable compact charging station with household or industrial AC sockets. To quickly review the two types of electric current, AC stands for alternating current, while DC stands for direct current. While both AC and DC currents can help you power up and get on the road, there are differences between them, with DC charging typically providing a faster charge. AC and DC chargers will connect to the charging port on the driver's side front fender under the Audi e-tron logo. If your Q8 e-tron is equipped with the available AC charging package, there will be an additional AC charging port on the passenger side front fender under the e-tron logo. To open the charging port door, the Q8 e-tron must be in park and be turned off with the parking brake engaged. With the doors unlocked, press the button to the right of the e-tron logo on the driver's side to open the charging port door. On the passenger side, press the button to the left of the e-tron logo to open. Then plug in the charging cable. If charging is not being delayed with a timer, the charging process will begin immediately. The light to the side of the port will glow white when the vehicle is communicating with the charging station and pulse green when it is charging. Light and button locations will vary depending on whether you are using the driver's side or passenger side charge port. An indicator will also pulse in the instrument cluster. There is also an indicator for the remaining charging time until the charging process is completed. When the vehicle charge is complete, the indicator light will be solid green. To unplug the charging cable from the vehicle, ensure the doors are unlocked by pressing the unlock button on the key fob. Then press the button next to the charging port to remove the charging cable. If the charging cable is not removed or disconnected within 30 seconds, it will relock. Audi recommends using the Audi e-tron compact charging system with 110-volt household sockets only in special circumstances, when it is not possible to charge with a higher current charger.